Alright, so today's a little different. Just like most of my adventures. Had a photo shoot today at 11, and so I didn't have anything scheduled for the rest of the day. So today I decided to go down to Hamma Hamma and try to go up to Jefferson Lake. Needless to say, I wasn't able to succeed to that like most of my adventures because poor planning and not checking to see if the forest road is actually open to go to Jefferson Lake. Well, I decided to go up towards Lena Lake. I've never been up this way, but I'm just, we're just going. We're just following this National Forest Road up here. It's very just gravelly. You know, there's some bumps here and there, but nothing that not even a Prius can make it out of. A Prius can make it up here with no problems. Now, I don't know how far up I am going to go, but I definitely want to see this place because it is beautiful so far. And what is that? What are you? There's something coming. Oh, it's a mouse. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, anyways. So I did find what's at the end of this National Forest Road number 25. Now, there is a hike that you can go on after this to go to a place called Mildred Lake. I'm gonna have to look more into it, but it's a 4-mile hike, 3,600 feet elevation, so I know that's gonna be like a calf burner right there. So I'm not physically fit for that just yet. I will be in the future. You guys will come with me. So let's take a look at this river turned into a waterfall kind of thing. Show you some of that. It is still a national forest, so I can launch the drone. I will be doing just a little bit of it. I still want to be courteous of everyone around here, so I'm not going to keep it up for long. There's only one other car that's up here with me right now. I did find a nice little place for me to kick back, put up the seat and everything, and we'll definitely check that out. So let's see what kind of footage I can get here. Oh my goodness, guys, what did you think of that? Did not expect that at all. Wow, is that a waterfall coming off that mountain? There's no way I'll be able to get the drone all the way out there, but we will adventure that way one day soon. I wonder what this place will look like whenever it's all, what do you call that, snowy. I would love to be out here when it's snowy. Alright, so let's go back, see if I can't get a few more shots, and then we'll call it a day. See you guys. So I wanted to stop one last time, and lo and behold, I found a spot that I wanted to stop, and then there's trash. Like, that looks like a fresh box too. I'm sure that someone wanted to put it in here for the fire and everything. But guys, don't just leave your trash. Pack it in, or what is that saying? If you pack it in, pack it out. Yeah, buddy. You can hear me. Today was a great day just to get out and drive. Funny enough, I'm averaging about 36 miles to the gallon with the Subaru. So today, the adventure has ended. Made it all the way up to the top to National Forest Route, or National Forest Road 25. and got some really good footage. Just really enjoyed myself today. Now, if you want to see any of the photos that I have taken today, go ahead and give me a follow, or even just go look at my Instagram page at Dom Photog. And I'll probably split this video up also and to put it on my Instagram like I used to. Well, you guys take care. Have a great day.